If you want me to zoom in or something, please just let me know. I'll listen, of course. Should I? How about now? Okay, 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 okay. So here is the study room, right? I think. Yep. Good morning. And this is so cute. Yep. I do love it. Thank you, Q. Thanks a lot. Here should be a rod, but I can see it. Did you see the rod? The curtain. It's not here, right? I think. Anyway, it's missing. Books are sticking off of the shelf. Ah, I see. This one, right? Thank you. How about now? Thanks for letting me know, love. You're so sweet. Thank you. Kiss. Guys, if you want me to fix anything, please let me know. I just wanna do everything very perfectly. You're married? No. I'm not. I don't even have a boyfriend now. That's a sad story. And guys, how many likes we've got? Oh, almost 30k. Let's just keep tapping, love. Tap, 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 tap. 200k likes for new sets today. If you want to see the new scenes, let's keep going. Thank you. Why do I think the door is... I don't know. Do you think the door is right? It's not. No, it's good, right? Yep. Yes, you're right. That's what I'm thinking. I love this design. Oh, here is even a statue in this house. How? Put a cat with the angel. Now let's do the right side. And everybody welcome. Welcome to Jasmine's live stream. How are you? Okay. Do you think I should zoom in a little bit, guys? Or just keep? I say it's okay. I'm not sure. Is it good for you? Hello, sweet. It's fine, right? And I forgot something. This one? There must be a toilet. What time there? 8:55 p.m. And you? Good evening, guys. And good morning. Am I fast? How hurry? I can't. I mess everything up. Just enjoying. Hello, Nico. Everybody, let's keep tapping. 50k likes for the next thing, guys. Let's go. Tap, 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 tap. Thank you. Are you still in New York? Yep, I am. What is it? You're pro at this. Thank you. I'm so glad to hear it. Good morning, guys. And we're almost done the scene. And the next one is Creep House. How about that? Ooh. Mm. No. A little bit off. What are they? Here is the artwork, right? What are they? Which hand on the pegboard? I'm bad at art, so I don't know. The voice sounds pretty dinky. No. Okay. And guys, this is Jazz speaking. My name's Jasmine, so you can call me Jess. Hi, Cece. So if this is your first time right here, you can like for the next thing. The next thing, there's thousands of tiny stickers. I just want to do the bakery shop, which I never showed you before. That's the new, but it's a little bit challenging, so I don't know. I can predict it will take me about 1 hour released. So there are two options, guys. Winter Day or bakery shop. Both of them are new. So I just let you pick. How about the next thing? Winter Day or bakery shop. Oh my god. Everybody say bakery shop. You're kidding me. That's a big challenge, guys. Bakery then winter, right? You're greedy. You wanna see both. Okay. Alright. That one is intricate, guys. The bakery shop. Let's do this part because he's not ready. Take a guess. Where is it? Bakery is very hard, guys. Thousands of tiny stickers. Oh, thanks for cake, love. Thank you. I love it. And it's very young. Here is even a cat ring. So cute. We are down, everybody. Look at it. And now, here is my reference. Beautiful down. And now let's challenge our new bakery shop.